guys, welcome to our channel. This is JapaREACH. We post videos about Japanese students' real lifestyle.
Now we're back. So from now, let's start our cooking. Please enjoy.
This time, we are preparing ingredients assuming to make 24 balls of takoyaki. Cut the octopus the size you like. Put 100 grams of takoyaki flour in a bowl and add an egg. Measure 500 milliliters of water and pour it. Mix the contents of the bowl thoroughly. At first, heat the takoyaki machine and before pouring the dough, spread the oil on the takoyaki machine. Put octopus in each hole and sprinkle tenkatsu all over them. When the dough became white, turn over the takoyaki upside down at a time. Sprinkle appropriate amount in the order of sauce, mayonnaise, dried bonito flakes, green liver, and then green onion. All the attendants took special care against COVID-19 and enjoyed it. Next, we will introduce the arranged dishes using the takoyaki machine the college students often do. Preheat the takoyaki machine and pour olive oil into it. Put the purchased ajillo element in each hole. Don't add too much element because the taste will get strong. When the olive oil comes to a boil, add the ingredients. This time we are using shrimps, broccoli, and mushrooms. When the ingredients are cooked, it's done. The plate is very hot, so be careful not to get burned. How was it? It looks delicious, isn't it? This time we used takoyaki machine and made takoyaki and ajillo. If you have a chance to come to Japan, you should give it a try. This is it for today. We hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you guys soon.